This free money source I have for you today can get you paid decently if you follow every step from this video. It is absolutely free to join and also available worldwide. I'll also show you how to save time and effort with another source, so stay tuned for that and make sure to keep watching till the end of this tutorial. Just before we start though, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World, with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. So if you like this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up, and also you can leave a comment down below if you want to ask me anything. Let's proceed with the first step for today, which is to come over to the first platform, which is called DesignCrowd. This is over at DesignCrowd.com. This is the world's #1 custom design marketplace. People come here in order to get the perfect custom design every time. So they offer a lot of services, as you can see: logo design, business card design, web design, flyer design, and so on. But today we're not coming here in order to buy a service from them. We are here in order to provide the service so we can make money again and again. First of all, I want to say that I'm going to give you a tool that is going to help with all of the hard work. So even if you are a beginner with no experience, just keep watching and stay tuned until the end, because you're going to see how you can make this work for free and also without any skills at all. And second of all, I want to show you how much money people are making here. You can go over to designers and then you can just select see more under designers by country. In the next page, you're going to see here people from all around the world making thousands of dollars. This person here from United Kingdom has made more than $2 million. This person from India, more than $500,000. This person from United States, more than $300,000. You have then people from Philippines, Mongolia, Serbia, Macedonia, Georgia, and so on and so forth. So this works all around the world and you have the possibility to make a lot of money. So now that you know that you can make a lot of money here, what you need to do is to start working with DesignCrowd. What you can do is to go over to jobs and then you need to select a logo design underneath logo and branding jobs, because today we are going to focus on logo designs. In the next page, you're going to see here a lot of job offers that you can take part in. You can read all of them to see what kind of designs they want. So you're going to see that they want like a logo for their business, for their company and so on, and they pay you from $150 to $300 and so on. So that's why people are making a lot of money here. The only flaw is that you're going to bid for these jobs. So you're going to submit your designs among the other designers, and if you get accepted, you're going to get paid. If you don't want to bid for jobs, you can even go over to freelancing websites like Fiverr and you can post your services there, and then customers are going to find you by themselves over there. But also this is a good way in order to get paid actually, because you are going to find jobs yourself, and that's why I highly recommend you start and join here. So just click on the register button. In the next step, you're going to just create a free account, then just put your first name, email address, a password, then click here I'm a designer, because you are here in order to make money. Then click on the continue button and you're going to be able to start submitting your designs. You're going to find the submit design button over here in these jobs. So I'm going to show you that tool that is going to help you with all of the hard work. What you need to do is to proceed to that step actually, so we're not going to lose any time. Let's go over to this platform called Wix, and it's over at wix.com. After that, you're going to find this creation button here. Just click on it and go over to logo maker. Then you're going to see that you can create a logo here, so click on the start now button. In the next page, you're going to choose how you want to create the logo. You can create a logo yourself or hire a professional designer. And since you are here in order to create that logo, not to spend any money, just click on create a logo. And then you're going to sign up for absolutely free So you're going to put an email address, then repeat that email address, then the password, repeat the password, and click on the sign up button. Or you can continue with your Facebook account or Google account. Once you do so, it's going to redirect you to this page. Here you're going to start designing your logo. First of all, you're going to add the name of your business organization. You can go over to the jobs that we saw before, and they are going to give you the name of the company, of course, and other information as well, how they want that logo to be, and so on. So you're going to find that name company and you're going to just paste it over here. They may even have a tagline or a slogan. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using my channel's name, so I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it over here. As a tagline, I'm going to just write subscribe, and then I'm going to click on let's go. After that, you're going to see that it's asking you what's your logo for. You're going to add the business or industry so they can give you the best options. So of course, this depends on the company or the business that is asking the logo. I'm going to say, for example, finance blog. And you're going to select here finance a blog or even site. I'm going to just select it here, click on next. Then you need to select how your logo should look and feel. So I'm going to select, for example, fresh, creative, fun, and playful. And then I'm going to click on next. You can select as many as you want. And then you need to select one of these logos in order to help them to know your style. For example, I like this one here, then this one here, and the last one is this. So after that, it's going to analyze the answers, it's going to find your style, as you can see, so it can give you the right results. It's going to just take like a couple of seconds and they're done. So as you can see, they give you a lot of results here, a lot of professional looking logos. As you can see, you can even scroll down, you have a lot more options. So there are a lot of these designs or logo designs. You can even replace icon, for example. If you choose one, you can choose one of these icons that you want to be in the design. So the best part is that you can even customize it. You can click on these designs if you like one of them, and then it's going to just open the customize, the edit part. So I'm going to click on this one. As you can see, you can change like the text icons, colors, and so on. So once you're done, you can just like screenshot this and you're going to have it on your computer, and after that you can go over to the logo design jobs, and then you can just submit your design over there. So like this, you have the possibility to make a lot of money. You can create a lot of designs for a lot of these jobs. Of course, it depends on you, on how much time and effort you want to put on this, and of course the tool that I gave you today is going to save you a lot of time. So just create an account for absolutely free on DesignCrowd, and then you can start submitting your designs over here in order to get paid again and again. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, you can give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and just subscribe to my channel, Lady Nemia's World. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.